Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great, and welcome to this new video on Rune or Thorchain. Wanted to give you my thoughts. Wanted to do a quick update. In the past, not a lot of people have watched these videos on Rune, but still wanted to give you my opinion, because I actually do think that even though right now the market is down, and there's definitely a possibility and an opportunity to turn around right here, but even though the market is down, and I also tweeted about this morning, Rune has actually been very bullish, right? If you look at the technical structure right now, and make sure to follow me on X, by the way, but if you look at the technical structure right now, we were already ramping up, and then in the last, in the last like 50 minutes, we also broke above a significant resistance level right here between $6, which we also broke above, even though it's a very tight one. But between $6 and 5.8, very strong resistance level, as you can also see historically right here. Broke above that, while Bitcoin is relatively bearish, and while Rune is, and you can see that right here, while Rune is the strongest performer in the market right now compared to other cryptos. And then most importantly, I would say, and something that I also think is most interesting, is something I will show you right now. And that will basically confirm that at this moment, everything looks bullish about Rune. All right, because what you can see as well is that the open interest right here has grown exponentially since the 6th of May, so since Monday. And we've seen spot buying for a very, very long period of time. So that's both very bullish. All right, so what we're seeing right now is a potential for a bull run, basically. And that's also why I wanted to make this video. Now, there are two things that kind of worry me about this. And that's, first of all, I mean, if you historically look at Rune, Rune is like, it can rally. It can be super bullish, and you should not forget about that. However, we are both at a very strong resistance level right now, which is around 6.2, I would say. That's also why this big gray area is here. That's basically filled with all sorts of resistance levels. We broke above the bottom one, but we still have one a little bit higher. And then apart from that, usually when I see something like this, like I want to be early to this. And right now the momentum has been increasing rapidly for the last 3 days already. And then apart from that, Bitcoin is also, and the market just in general, is also not the strongest. So those are things that kind of scare me away from Rune. And that's also why I want to tell you to be careful, all right? I mean, at this moment, Rune looks bullish, all right? There's nothing I can say about this, except for the things I just said. But those are minor, and those are potential things, not things I see right now. Like we could potentially find a lot of resistance at 6.2. Doesn't mean that that will happen. But all the things you see right now, with the trend you see, with the bullish breakouts we're seeing, like this is a major bullish breakout. Don't get me wrong. And then you also have the spot buying, and you have the momentum coming in. I have to be bullish on Rune, right? So that's what I'm going to be. I think it's most likely that we're going to rally up higher towards 6.2. But also, if you zoom out, I think it's quite likely we're heading up for 6.4 and 6.5. And from there, I will just keep you updated on this, all right? Because at some point of time, what's going to happen, and that could happen at 6.4, but that could also happen at 7.2. At some point of time, Rune is going to take a hit. So something we also did, for example, I have to check that out. But something we also did last evening when the market was also relatively bearish, we took a hit. We dropped down a bit. And then at some point of time, we're going to take that hit and we're not going to recover. Now, like I said, for now, I still think it's most likely that we're heading for 6.2, bit of a pullback from there, but then also into 6.5. And then from there, honestly, I just have to see how we react to that level. So I cannot tell you what happens next. What I can tell you is that I think short-term bullish momentum is most likely. In general, I think Rune is bullish, and the main level we need to hold as support is between 6 and 5.9. If for some reason, for example, a Bitcoin dump, we drop down below that level, that's bad, all right? And then we can turn bearish. But for now, that's not the situation. That's not most likely. So those are my thoughts. That's what I think you need to know for now. If you do have any questions, let me know down in the comments. But for now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.